Hey guys, it's Courtney from Vector Offroad. Today we're going to be installing the JL tailgate table. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is pull the plastic panel off the tailgate. Slide it in there like that, and just pull it off. Now that I have my holes marked, I'm going to drill a small pilot hole. You drill the fourth hole from the backside. When you're drilling on the top hinge side, you're going to make sure that your drill is level and straight. In this step, it's super important to make sure that you're drilling straight because you're going to be drilling through the back panel as well as the front panel. Now I'm going to enlarge all pilot holes to 7/8. Now that I have my mounting holes enlarged, I'm going to reinstall the panel. The spacers all have designated holes and you need to make sure that you put them in their right spot. Next, we're going to be putting the upper right spacer as well as the lower right spacer in. On this step, it's actually helpful to have a second set of hands. Next, we're going to be putting the bottom bolt in. Once we're finished with that side, we're going to be putting the spacers on the other side. We're going to be placing the top and bottom bolt. Before you completely tighten it down, you're going to make sure that everything's parallel and then give it its final tightening. Now that everything is completely tightened, you want to make sure that your cables are loose enough to spin freely, but not too loose to rattle. And then go ahead and pull it up, and you're ready to go.